Hi guys, we're gonna start with an airplane. So this is my favorite. I spotted it. Now this is a bit, a bit big. It'll be perfect, but I think we're gonna touch down without any blood. Right? No, that's 0.10. No way, you have to go between that. Yeah. So that's a if it's always that happening, look at that! Wow! That's so I like that. Sorry, no. I died. Hello, I have codes. So this is a bit good. Yeah. So aircraft. Can you see my plane? This is my favorite plane, guys. So this is what do I Twitter like? So don't. Okay, I'm not gonna land and then just crash. I'm gonna land by jumping off. I was going for him. I thought he's dead. Okay, so this is gonna end. It's gonna be a long video, I think. So, okay, we're landing right now. Boink. I told you guys, Alas was so good. My life is so good. Yeah. So. This is gonna. Oh, you know that will happen, right? That could be habit of